Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Custom Adventurous. Alright, so today I'll be reviewing the Podaccessories Airtip Pros. Alright, so I use AirPods Pro on a daily basis, and I've always been looking for accessories that'll work well and help to complement them. But I can tell you that there really aren't very many accessories out there that don't add bulk or just add inconvenience to the AirPods. Like, you can get that one little rubber string that attaches the two together so they don't fall off, but it's kind of hard because you can't store it in the case or anything. Or you could get a case, but also cases add bulk to it. You can get a skin, but those are often very difficult to apply, I'm not gonna lie. And there's all sorts of accessories, but the ones that I found that are the best in my opinion are these little ear tips. Like, you can just, all you do is change out the ear tip and you get this whole new experience with your AirPods Pro. And in my opinion, it's easily the best accessory for the AirPods Pro at the moment on the market. If you'd like to check these out, the links will be in the description, but we're gonna get right up into them and we'll talk about them more. All right, let's open them up and check them out. All right, before we get going, I just want you guys to guess which one is the fake out of these three. Leave your answers in the comments. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you, this one is the fake. Let me know if you guessed it right. All right, so we're gonna be going over everything that they have on their lineup. They have the black memory foam ear tips. We have the white memory foam ear tips. We have multicolored memory foam ear tips. And we got the hybrid memory foam and rubber ear tips. These are really cool. All right, so we're gonna start with we're gonna open up these. These are the black memory foam ear tips. Pretty sure the packaging opens up pretty easily, just like this. Alrighty. Okay, it's like a little pouch. Okay, so we're gonna get these are our AirPods Pro originals. Okay, pull out the earbuds, and you rip off the ear tip just like that. Leave those over there. Okay, and then, so I'm pretty much always the medium size for my ear tips. So we are gonna put the medium ear tips on there and see how they do. All right. So first of all, my opinion, that just looks really cool. It just contrasts really well. It's like panda earbuds almost. Very, very cool. And they fit on just like the originals, the ear tips, just like that, just like them. It just works so well. All right, just gonna put it in my ear real quick and test it out. They fit extremely secure and well. Sorry you guys didn't see that, but at the end I'll show what they look like in the ear compared to the others. But yeah, very good. I like these a lot. So we're gonna put these aside. And we're gonna go to, I wanna do the multicolored ones. I believe that these are all the medium size and they're just in multiple colors. I really like the gray and the blue. Those are just cool colors, I feel like. So we're gonna get our other originals right here. Open up the little box here. I want to get the blue ones out because the blue ones are pretty sweet. Apply those just like the originals. There you go, you got your foam ear tips. Looks pretty sweet in my opinion. Very high quality. I want to try the gray ones because I feel like the gray ones will look really good. And they're really easy to take off just like the originals. It's literally just the same. Okay. I like the gray. Like the gray a lot. And boom, you got your ear tips over here. And they also do work with clones. So if you have clones, you can get these and they will work just the same. All right, let's open these up. Clones, you gotta pull them off just like the original. Very nice. And you put on the other ones and pops on just like that. Super easy, super correct. And if you'd like to know which clones these are, the ones that are the most accurate, have the exact ear tips, they even have noise canceling, active noise canceling, and ambient mode. I'll leave a link to them in the description. You can check them out if you'd like, but they're literally identical. Look, this one's the clone, this one's the real. They're literally so accurate. Also, we do also have more options. These are the hybrid silicone and foam. So these are just pure foam, and then these ones are the hybrid ones. So they have silicone on the outside and they have foam on the inside. We're gonna put those on. Let's see how they fit. We're gonna do the medium ones because, you know, that's just the way I roll. Not to mention they do look very cool too with the orange. It's like a little accent. I like it a lot. So we got all three of our things here, all looking very nice. You also get the white ones. The white ones are pretty much the exact same as the black ones. Foam, and they look nice. I just want to see how they would look in the case because they fit extremely well in the case because, you know, they have to. So we're gonna put this in here. Fits perfectly, no problems. And you got your little orange accent. And you got the black ones too. Fit perfectly, look really cool actually. I like it a lot. And you got your clones. They fit pretty much perfectly too. Oh, that just looks so cool in my opinion. And it's such a cheap and little accessory that's just so nice. I like it a lot. Looking very good. Now I'm going to be doing a shake test, just see how they stay in your ear compared to the originals. Alright, so now I'll be testing how they fit in the ear and just like do a shake test and see how they stand. Alright, so these are the original AirPods with the original ear tips on them. They go in, they fit pretty well. Sometimes when I use these, they kind of fall out and stuff, but it's usually not too much of a problem. But I can imagine for some people it would be. I've talked to people and they said that the ear tips don't really fit very well. They don't have all the sizes and the silicone just doesn't fit as well in their ears. And so that is where these foam tips really excel. All right, so we got them in my ear. They fit pretty snug. I feel like they don't seal off fully, but they do seal off pretty good. And I don't think they're coming out anytime soon. But with the foam ones, they're very easy to apply first of all. And they have the proper way to do it too. Okay, we got the black ones. They just look cooler in my opinion, honestly. They just look less generic and less like everybody else's. Put them in your ears. Immediately, I feel more of a snug fit. They just seem to grip my ears a lot better. Like it feels like they're definitely not falling out for sure. Like with these, it feels like, yeah, maybe they could fall out, but these ones, it's just no way. They're not even close to falling out. And honestly, it feels like it gives you a better seal, so you honestly have better like ambient mode and noise cancellation, which is like a really good perk. Shake these around. These things are not falling out anytime soon, and they're really comfortable. I feel like with these, I can get earwear like probably after like what 2 hours of listening, get some solid earwear. I feel like with these, you wouldn't get any earwear. And yeah, alright, so we're going to try out the other ear tips too, see if they perform the same. So these are the hybrid ones with foam and rubber. So these ones are kind of cool. Put this in my ear. Whoa, it's like a different type of experience. This is weird. It's like, I think I prefer the original foam over these, but these are still a solid option. Like they fit extremely snug, like way more snug than the generic ones. And then they just like, it grips super well. It's like they're sealing off extremely well. Like when I'm in, whoa, I just went into noise cancellation and I literally, like hearing my voice, it's so much more muffled than with these. Like with these, they're still muffled, but it's just like, it's a lot quieter. It's like, that is really cool. Holy, wait, I need to try that with the other foam ones and see if it's the same, because that actually made a very big difference. It's like, it just makes the noise cancellation even better. Jeez, all right, try these. Okay, I think I definitely prefer the fit with these a little bit more. They fit a little bit more clean. All right, ready? Holy crap, oh, no way. What the heck? I can't. Jeez, these are way better. I can't hear anything. Holy crap. Am I talking loud? Because I can't hear my voice. Holy crap. That like made a huge difference. Oh my goodness. Wow. Alright, well. Holy. Alright, we're going to try the last one, which are the clones. Holy. That made a big difference. Alright, the clones have the blue ones on. I can already tell that they already make a better difference of the noise cancellation. Whoa, yeah, yep, they definitely help. They definitely make the noise cancellation just a little bit better just from this little accessory. Wow. Huh. It's crazy. Alright, well, If you'd like to check these out, the links will be in the description. I just think they're a really great product. They're just a cheap and simple way to improve active noise cancellation, improve fit, and even just like add colors to your AirPods Pro and make them less generic. And I think just overall, I think they're a great accessory, and I definitely recommend checking them out. All right, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.